guys, so this is a what's on my phone. This is my phone right here, the Samsung Galaxy A12. So this is my home screen. I just have gallery, camera, photos, clock, and down here I have phone, messages, internet, and Play Store. And then up here I have some web links that I linked to my home screen, and then I have Blackboard, TikTok, Notion, OpenStax, Coursera, sell on Etsy, Blogger, Blogger Stats, Instagram, then business. You can take a look at this. This is what I have, and then YouTube, and then this is my app library. So I'll show you guys that. Then we have Disney Plus, Netflix, Hulu, Pandora, Spotify, YouTube Music, Audible, YouTube. Then we have social. We have Messenger, WhatsApp, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, Repost, LinkedIn, Snapchat. Then we have Shop. We have OfferUp, Mercari, eBay, and Amazon. Then we have Business. We have Business Suite, Canva, YouTube Studio, Filmora, Go, Blogger, Blogger Stats, Amazon, PayPal Business, AliExpress, Shopify, sell on Etsy, WordPress, Wix Owner, Square, and MyLink. Then we have Health. We have Day One, Clue, Walgreens, Talk Life, MyLVHN, and MyFitnessPal. Then we have Playbooks, Bible, and the Book of Mormon. Then we have games. You can look at all of these. These are all I have. Then we have productivity. We have Docs, Keep Notes, Keeper, Cam Scanner, Sedge, Easy Facts. Then we have finance. We have Chase, Providers, Credit Karma, PayPal, My Blue Ridge, Compass, Bank of America, Mint, TurboTax, Self, and Robinhood. Then we have education. We have Coursera, OpenStax, Duolingo, Blackboard, and Notion. And then we have Jerry, and then we have work. So I have Shopper, that's for Instacart, Driver, Uber Driver, Dasher, which is for DoorDash, Indeed, Job Search, eShift, ShiftMed, IntelliCare, and Staff DNA. And then we have Linkfly. So that's all that's on my phone right now. If you guys enjoyed, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.